Alright, welcome back to NewZeroland. Here we are at the Cliffhanger hill climb, and we're gonna do some racing today. Yeah! The Cliffhanger hill climb. 26 turns on a 6.1 kilometer stretch of public road in Gladstone, New Zealand, closed off for one-way time attacks. Take whatever bike you want and go as fast as you can without flying off the cliff. I really wanted to take the next bike, you know, the one I've been teasing about, but it's still in California waiting for a boat. So in the spirit of run what you brung, I brung the Zero. First things first, they took us on 2 practice runs as a big group. This helped us newbies get familiarized with the road, and I got to follow everybody to see what kind of lines I should be using. The road is way higher speed than what I'm used to, and it was really windy, so after only 2 rides up the hill and back, my battery was already down 30%. But I just told myself, do as many runs as you can, go as fast as you can, and don't fall off. My mission for this is just to show off what the Zero can do. I know I'm not the best rider, but this is also to show off that electric bikes exist. One guy's like, I guess this is the future, right? Kind of not really excited about it because he has a beautiful Ducati, but I was like, dude, this is the past, man. This bike is a 2015. You gotta understand that, you know, we have an Energicas now that has they have a whole race team. There's some people that really like it, they're excited about it, you know. People are joking about, oh yeah, you know, you're gonna be the fastest electric bike today. It's like, yeah, that's cool. Oh, see, yeah, it's crazy windy up here. Really, my goal for today is just to not crash, so that Jen can continue commuting on the Zero and practice, you know, get my skills up a little bit. Really, I should be doing all my practicing at a racetrack, but I do love some windy roads, and the opportunity to go as fast as you want legally on a windy road, you know, I just couldn't pass that up, so here I am. I mean, I didn't get that windy road tattoo for nothing. The guy was saying this is one of the most dangerous motorsport events in New Zealand. Sorry, Mom. As soon as we got back down to the bottom, we went straight into the first official run. Alright, see you up there. Okie dokie. Here we go, lining up. I don't know why I'm so nervous, but it is a timed event, and I'm going very fast on a road that I've been on twice. It'll be fine. I'll try and edit down the runs a little bit, just because you don't want to watch through like 4 minutes of me screwing up. Well, we'll see how this goes. Obviously you guys already know how it went. If I crashed, you already saw a photo of the bike. If I didn't, then well, you've already seen the video. You guys are in the future. Crazy how that works. They space out the runs so that you have enough time to get most of the way to the top, I think, and then they let the next guy go. Social distancing in racing is very important. So that's another thing. As of yesterday or the day before, it's March 21st today, and a couple days ago they decided to lock down the New Zealand border so that only residents and citizens can come in, no foreigners allowed. And it's only a matter of time before events like this with, you know, tons of people are cancelled. Actually, a lot of events have already been cancelled, so this is kind of the last motorsport event that's going to be happening for a while. So I think that's why everybody still wanted to do it, even though it is risky. You know, you want to have as much fun as you can while you still can. Yo.
You been here before?
No.
Okay, so you got your helmet?
Oh yeah.
It's good. I'll hold you here like that with my finger and hold you here. I'll count you down. I'll give you 15 seconds, and then I'll count you down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go.
Cool.
And I'll bang your shoulder.
Okay.
So 30 seconds to go.
Sweet.
You lost your lunch.
Yeah, I know. I ran out of gas.
Oh, it's an electric bike, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell. I thought it was a real quiet one.
Yeah.
So, and we're on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go.
I'm kind of taking my time here. Wow, this is really high speed. Getting the overheating warning already. Jeez, that's not good. Well, let's say just power through it. If it cuts the power, then cuts the power, it's fine. Oh man, that was a lot of fun. And 60%, okay. Good to know. So I used 13% going up. I don't know how long that was, a couple of minutes. The fast guys do it in 2, which is just insane. I cannot fathom going that fast. They say when it comes to race times, with a car, it's 70% car performance and 30% driver skill. And with motorcycles, that swapped, where it's 70% about your skills as a rider and 30% what the bike is capable of. But at the Cliffhanger, I think it's about half and half. I'm not trying to pretend I know what I'm doing, but the zero is a huge limitation here. I can't be stuck at 160 when everybody else is going over 200. And the motor overheating thing is super frustrating. Like, yes, I could be entering turns a lot faster than I was, but there were some places where I wanted more power and the bike just refused to accelerate anymore. And the problem with the zero is that the lower my battery gets, the less power I have. So even though my skills improve with each run up the hill, by the last run I won't have enough power to use those skills. So I get faster but my bike gets slower. It's this electric racing paradox. I'll save you from watching all the previous runs just because I've been going pretty slow, but I've been learning the course and getting a little bit better each time, and I'm pretty excited. I have 38% battery, as you can see. I've been using about 15% battery each run, because you go up, you use probably like 12 or 13, and then coming down you use a couple more. So this will probably be my last run, but that's totally fine. I'm okay with that. Oh my god. Yo. So loud.
Somebody overtook you last time.
Yeah?
Did they?
Me? No.
Okay.
I don't think so. I was going pretty slow though.
Well, you got to
it's possible.
It up, otherwise you have to go to the back.
Yeah.
Oh, you got your lunch now.
Oh yeah.
Spare batteries.
Yeah, I wish.
And we are down to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go.
So, still trying to learn this course. I'm getting better each time, but I feel like my, I don't know, I enter a turn and I feel like I need to slow down a lot more than I do. So, I'm going to try and go a little bit faster now that I'm a little bit more familiar with this. Wow, bike's moving all over the place.
Yeah, my power is going down. That's the thing, man. When the motor gets too hot, it just starts limiting it. And it's kind of as fast as you can go. That was it. That was my run. Not sure how many minutes that was. Still 26%. No, the motor's getting pretty hot. See, it's not the battery getting hot this time, it's the motor. Well, that was pretty fun though.
I'm always a little self-conscious at events like this because I'm usually the only electric bike, so I mentally prepare for whatever reactions people have. It's not that I have to defend the bike because it's not like I built it, you know, I don't work for Zero, but I have to defend my decision to buy it and to buy an electric bike instead of all the other gas bikes here, instead of a gas bike in general. There's something psychological with that, like people assume you think you're better than them because you don't want their kind of bike. I don't know, it's weird, and strangely enough, that's the kind of response I get at EV meets. But at the Cliffhanger, there was such a vast variety of bikes. There were race bikes that didn't have kickstands, there were Frankenstein builds, and heavily personalized bikes that looked completely unique. Everybody was there to have a good time and go fast, no matter what bikes they were riding. It was awesome, and I'm definitely coming back next year. Just with a bike that's a little bit more powerful and has a liquid-cooled motor.
Alright. Oh my god! Such glorious noise. Alright, well, I have 26% now, so I think that was my last run. I'm fine with that. I'm just gonna park it, and we'll trailer it back to Wellington. But man, what a fun experience. I definitely didn't set any good times, you know, like if I find out my time, I'll put it on the screen right now. Compare that to the top guys getting close to 2 minutes. It's just not, you know. But my first time on the road, first time doing this event, first time like double laning with a motorcycle, that was kind of a freaky experience. And the reception from everybody, you know, it's the first electric bike that a lot of these guys have seen. Definitely the first electric bike at the Cliffhanger. A lot of interesting comments, a lot of jokes. Just a great time. Everybody is super nice. And I'm definitely coming back to this next year. So here's hoping that this whole coronavirus thing ends soon, because I really want to do more track days and more events like this as soon as freaking possible. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys next time. Brum, 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 brum. Brum.